Hello, today I'll show you how to change lock-on settings in Wukong the Black Myth. First, open the settings. Do so by first opening, of course, the main menu, by pressing the escape button. Then go into the settings. In the settings, go into the gameplay section, and in the gameplay section you can, as you can see, auto switch lock-on on, auto lock-on when attacking, and auto target when attacking. Those are the three options I was talking about when I set the lock-on settings. As you can see, auto switch lock-on enables automatic switching to a new target after the current target dies. It is useful for new players or the console players, but when you are experienced enough at the game, you can maybe want to switch between targets mid-battle, so you can maybe stun lock them all or keep them at a distance. So when you are experienced enough, I would recommend to turn this option off, and if you are brand new to the game, I would recommend to keep it on. Right below it is auto lock-on when attacking. Very useful feature, just simply locks on to the target when you attack. When you are a new player, it can help, but when you are a bit more experienced, it can be a bit off-putting, because especially when you have auto switch lock-on off, it may cause you to randomly switch targets and lock on when you don't want to. Of course, there is also auto target when attacking. This option simply targets automatic targeting without centering the camera on the target. It is useful for players on the console, so they don't have to be as accurate, or for the brand new players who want a bit simpler experience. And that's it. When you are ready, you can simply return, and the options will save themselves. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.